Change leaders see emerging patterns. Leadership learning. On the 6th March 1869, Russian chemist Dmitri Mendeleev presented a paper to the Russian Chemical Society titled "The Dependence Between the Properties of the Atomic Weights of the Elements." This was a landmark moment in the development of modern chemistry. In this presentation, he proposed a systematic way of organizing the known chemical elements based on their atomic weights and valence, revealing a repeating pattern in their properties. At the time, around 70 elements were known, yet scientists lacked a coherent framework to explain their relationships or behaviors. Mendeleev's work emerged during a period when chemists were attempting to bring order to an expanding body of scientific knowledge. Researchers had discovered many new elements throughout the 19th century, but the absence of a clear organizational structure created confusion. Different scientists had attempted partial classifications, grouping elements with similar properties or arranging them in simple sequences. However, these approaches often failed to explain inconsistencies or predict relationships between elements that had not yet been discovered. The key insight presented in March 1869 was the recognition that when elements were arranged in order of increasing atomic weight, their chemical properties displayed a recurring or periodic pattern. This principle became known as the periodic law. By organizing elements into rows and columns based on shared characteristics, Mendeleev produced an early form of the periodic table that demonstrated clear relationships between different elements. What distinguished this approach from earlier attempts was its willingness to challenge accepted data and its confidence in the underlying pattern. In several cases, Mendeleev rearranged elements in ways that contradicted the atomic weights widely accepted at the time, arguing that the measurements must be incorrect if they disrupted the periodic pattern. He also deliberately left gaps in the table where no known element fit the pattern, predicting that undiscovered elements would eventually fill these spaces. These predictions later proved to be remarkably accurate. Over the following decades, elements such as gallium, scandium, and germanium were discovered and found to match the properties that had been forecast. As these confirmations accumulated, the periodic table gained acceptance and became the central organizing framework of chemical science. The presentation in 1869 therefore marked more than the introduction of a scientific chart. It represented a major conceptual shift in how chemists understood the structure of matter. Instead of viewing elements as isolated substances, they could now be understood as part of a broader system governed by repeating patterns and relationships. In retrospect, the importance of this moment lies not only in the creation of the periodic table, but also in the methodological confidence behind it. The willingness to identify patterns, question accepted measurements, and anticipate future discoveries demonstrated a bold scientific mindset. Over time, the periodic system became one of the most powerful organizing principles in science, shaping research, education, and industrial chemistry. This shift, from treating elements as disconnected facts to recognizing them as part of an ordered, coherent system, mirrors a deeper leadership truth. Progress accelerates when leaders recognize patterns that others overlook and use them to bring coherence to complexity. Saculum leadership recognizes that moments which reveal hidden order within complexity often become generational inflection points for knowledge and institutional development. Such discoveries act as a signal, showing leaders that emerging patterns can organize uncertainty into structured understanding that shapes scientific, organizational, and industrial progress for generations. Change leadership lessons. The ideas presented in March 1869 continue to influence how matter is studied and understood across the world today. Leaders of change organize complex knowledge deliberately, so emerging patterns become visible and guide informed action during uncertain transformation. They recognize that incomplete information does not prevent progress when strong frameworks exist to support future discovery. Change leaders refine systems continuously as new evidence emerges, ensuring knowledge evolves rather than stagnates during complex organizational transformation. They anticipate future developments by building structured understanding that reveals patterns within uncertainty. Leaders of change create foundations strong enough to guide learning, discovery, and innovation across generations of evolving challenges. Summary leadership quote: "Change leadership transforms uncertainty into progress by organizing knowledge clearly, trusting emerging evidence, and building systems strong enough to guide future discovery." Change leadership responsibility 1. Articulate a change vision. Meaningful change rarely begins with perfect certainty. It often begins when leaders recognize patterns that others overlook and translate those patterns into a disciplined vision for the future. When complex information is organized and interpreted thoughtfully, emerging relationships become visible and allow leaders to anticipate possibilities that are not yet fully understood. A credible change vision, therefore, does more than describe ambition. It explains the logic behind the direction being taken and demonstrates why continued effort is justified even when results are not immediately visible. Leaders of change must communicate how evidence, observation, and structured thinking support the chosen path. This clarity helps stakeholders understand that uncertainty does not mean absence of direction. Instead, it reflects the early stages of discovery where informed judgment guides progress. By explaining the underlying pattern that supports the vision, leaders strengthen confidence and reduce the temptation to abandon initiatives prematurely. A well-articulated change vision also provides a framework that allows organizations to learn and adapt as new information emerges. As evidence develops, understanding deepens, and the vision can be refined without losing strategic coherence. In this way, change leadership transforms complexity into structured progress. When leaders recognize emerging patterns and communicate their significance clearly, they enable organizations to move forward with confidence, discipline, and long-term purpose. Leadership of change. Final thoughts. Enduring transformation depends on leaders who recognize opportunity through disciplined analysis and maintain commitment long before its full economic significance becomes widely understood. In an era defined by accelerating technological capability, global resource competition, and increasingly complex industrial systems, leadership responsibility is to sustain strategic vision when early evidence challenges institutional confidence. Leadership excellence, therefore, lies not in reacting to short-term outcomes, but in recognizing emerging potential early and enabling disciplined exploration to mature into systems that reshape entire industries over time. Find out more. Change Management Leadership, Leadership of Change, Volume 4,